Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Xero for invoicing. So first thing they should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Xero.com. And then you just have to sign up for an account. And then if you have an account already, so you just have to log in. After that, once you're here, you have this create your first invoice. If you haven't, created your invoice yet, so you just have to click on this option. That's right. And then after that, you will be directed to this section. So all you have to do here is to input your contact, the issue date, the due date, the invoice number, and then the reference. Okay, so for example, for our contact, that's right. And then for the issue date, that would be today, and then the due date for this one. So let's say on the 31st, and then the invoice number. All right. And then for the payments, we have this one. So we have to set up our online payments. Okay, so right here we have to get set up with Stripe. So you just have to click on this one and then you just have to follow the step. So once you're done, just have to choose your currency. And then the amounts are tax exclusive or it is tax inclusive. And then after that, you just have to choose here your new items. For example, we're just going to create a new item. So you just have to add here the code and then the name of this item. All right. And then after that, you would be able to see here now the total. So you just have to put here the details or the full details of the item. So we have the quantity, the price, the discount, the account, the tax rate, the tax amount, the project, and then of course the amount PHP. So it depends on your currency. Then after that, you would be able to see here now your subtotal and then the total tax for this one. After that, you just have to click on this approve and email this to your client or to your contact. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.